The TG engine iron inlaid with gold process is a decorative technique that ingeniously combines two different metals, iron and gold. By taking advantage of the differences in texture, color, and other aspects between iron and gold through specific craftsmanship methods, gold is inlaid or decorated on the surface of iron objects, creating a sharp color contrast and a unique visual effect, which endows the objects with greater artistic value and ornamental value. This knife has an extended length of 196 millimeters. The blade material is American Thomas W. ladder pattern steel, and the handle is made of titanium alloy. It adopts the manual TG engine iron inlaid with gold process, along with gold carving process, chiseling process, and manual relief techniques. Gold, silver, and copper are inlaid on the handle.